Wall Street is struggling to rebound after a week of historic losses, raising fears of a possible recession looming on the horizon. The Dow lost 236 points yesterday, one day after dropping more than 1,100 points, while the S&P inched closer to a bear market, meaning it's nearly 20% down from its recent high. ABC News financial contributor Alexis Christoforous joining me now for more. So, Alexis, if the market ends higher today, could that be a sign that things are turning around?
Oh, I wish, Kira, that I could say it was. But, you know, already we've seen big swings in the market today. We were up this morning. Now we are down across the board once again. So I think we need to get used to this roller coaster ride. I think the word volatility is going to be the word of the summer on Wall Street. And this pattern's pretty typical. You know, stocks have been beaten down so much recently. Investors want to jump back in. They call it buying on the dip to take advantage of some bargains. But I think we really need to see a number of days of sustained rallies to call a bottom in the market. And a lot of the experts I'm talking to say we're not there yet. Too much uncertainty, high inflation, war in Ukraine, COVID, earnings not being very spectacular, you name it.
So how concerned then should Americans be, all of us be, about a bear market or potential recession now?
It depends on who you ask in terms of how real the possibility of a recession is. Two major Wall Street banks making their predictions. Goldman Sachs says is putting it at 35% that we'll see a recession in the next 2 years. Morgan Stanley says there's a 25% chance of that. But interestingly enough, Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen, who, remember, was the head of the Federal Reserve before Jerome Powell, said this week she thinks that the odds of a recession are pretty low in this country because we have such a strong economy and unemployment at a half-century low.
All right, Alexis Christoforous, we will follow the numbers. We'll see how we wrap up today on a Friday. Thanks so much.
Thanks.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.